In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment link in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the feature, what information to enter, and how to share a clean, professional link so your customer can pay you quickly without a full invoice. First, open your browser and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the right company file before you start. This saves you from duplicating work later and keeps your books accurate. Once you're in, head to the Sales and Get Paid area. This section is designed to streamline everything related to getting money in the door, and it's the quickest path to the payment link tool. The wording in your menu may vary slightly depending on your region and plan, but you're looking for the page where QuickBooks groups your ways to collect payments. On that page, choose Create Payment Link. A simple form will open. Fill in the required fields so your customer knows exactly what they're paying for. Start with the amount due and a short, clear description, like consulting session or deposit for project. If you want the payment tied to a specific person, add the customer name. If not, you can keep it general and share the link broadly. If you track products or services, select an item so the income lands in the right account automatically. If you collect sales tax, make sure the correct rate is applied. You may also see options related to which payment methods you accept. Choose the methods that work best for your business. Keep your memo or note concise and professional, and double-check the currency and any required fields before you proceed. After you create the link, QuickBooks generates a unique URL you can copy and share by email, chat, or however you normally communicate with customers. When your customer opens the link, they'll see the amount and description you entered and can pay right away. Once payment is completed, QuickBooks records it and routes it to your designated deposit account, helping your books stay up to date with minimal extra work. You can return to the same Sales and Get Paid area to see the status of the link and the payment. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Create Payment Link option, make sure QuickBooks Payments is available for your region and that your user has permission to take payments. Keep descriptions clear to reduce questions and always review tax and deposit settings before sharing. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Create the link, share it, and get paid.